What's up, everybody? Tiffany Outdoors here. Today I am with
Joe
and
River.
and River. Can you see the little girl?
Yes.
So Joe and I are heading to a camping thing. This is a quick overnighter camping thing that we're doing, and I'm so excited. And so I've been working a lot of overtime. I tell you guys that all the time. I have to work a lot of Saturdays, and so when I got off work, we kind of slap packed everything in the truck, and we're 20 minutes away from the campground. And I looked at Joe and said, there's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the Farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo.
What? Did we pack sheets and pillows?
Joe got quiet and made the face she's making right now. I looked at her, I said, should we laugh or cry?
Hopefully there's one of those little Dollar Generals or somebody close by that we can buy. That's right, just let all the traffic through.
Okay.
Then we can buy some sheets and
Pillows. But I'm kind of like, oh my gosh, how do we forget that stuff? You know how we forgot it? It's not in with our camping stuff that's out in the shed. We keep the bedding and stuff in the house. So there's that. But we're close. We're getting close. We're like 20 minutes out. And hopefully we'll
find something that's cheap.
Yeah. Hush. You're fine. No. Y'all, she acts like she's dying because Joe left. Are you embarrassing yourself for all the internet to see? Like I always say, she likes going places, but she doesn't like the car ride, and she doesn't like when either one of us gets out. Joe says that when I get out, she acts like that, and when Joe gets out, she acts like that. She likes going places, but she don't like the car ride, and she doesn't like it when one of us leaves. It doesn't matter that the other person is here. River, get down. Get down. Stop. She's all over everything. She's going crazy. Y'all, I hate that we forgot our sheets. So we stopped at a Dollar General, and Joe's going inside to get some sheets and pillows. I can't believe we forgot our bed sheets. I usually have a checkoff sheet, but I didn't do that because I was wanting to pack up and get the heck up out of there. And in my rushing, I completely forgot. But we're gonna have a good time. Even though it's only an overnighter, it's okay. I mean, I feel like it's worth getting away just even for overnight. And I'm still looking forward to tonight. Oh, that's another thing. You guys get to meet Joe's son and his wife. They have a truck camper, the kind that goes on top inside the truck bed. And I haven't seen inside of it yet, but I'm excited to see that. So maybe, we'll see. We'll see if he'll let us go in and do a tour. I don't even know how he feels about being on camera. I'll ask him. But when you see him, you will say, oh my God, he's like Joe's clone. Just the male version of Joe. Super tall, slim, handsome. And yeah, it's gonna be a good time, y'all. I'm just so looking forward to it. Oh yeah, he asked Joe to get some butter. We're having crab legs for dinner tonight. He's cooking. So River, calm down. Get off that bag. Stop it. You stop it. Quit it. Y'all, she's having a pure fit back there. She's crazy. She was crazy when we were getting ready. She was driving me crazy. Now she's acting a fool. Look at her, all on the bag. You're fine. One good thing is when she had to go to the bathroom, she did let us know. So I had to stop, pull over about 45 minutes ago and walk her. She had to go to the bathroom. She started getting kind of whimpery, and there was no reason for her other than she had to go to the bathroom. So that's her way of letting us know that she does have to use the bathroom. So I pulled over, took her for a walk. She did her business, and I gave her good lovies for being the good girls. Right, little girl? You a good girl? Yeah, she's a good girl. All right. Hopefully Joe will be out soon. I want to go in and see what she's doing, but I can't because I don't want to leave River out here by herself. I don't like leaving her in the vehicle alone. So I just gotta sit here and wait for Joe to come out. All right, guys, I will see you guys at the campground. We're, like I said, 17 minutes away. So, oh, here she comes. Bless her heart. She's been cutting up ever since you left.
Oh my God.
Get back. Get back.
Stick this little thing.
It worked. It moved her back.
And butter.
And butter. Okay. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all at the campground. You know you're at the beach when you get up here and start going over this huge bridge.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Ocean Boulevard West.
Oh my goodness. Whew. All right, y'all. It's a hot one. It's 89 degrees. We got most of the stuff set up thanks to Joe's son and his wife. I keep trying to tell Joe, let's take a break, get an AC for a minute, but she won't stop. She's still trying to set up. I was starting to get dizzy, so I had to come in here, cool down. I got River in my lap. Sit here, got some AC for a little bit. And this place has sand spurs. I already picked one off of River's tail. So, but we got camp shower set up. We got the 4-person tent. We didn't bring the 10-person tent. We brought the smaller one, and we got the screen house set up. And I think we got. Oh gosh, River, that's gross. I think we got everything set up.
Come on,
Just
River.
about. Go.
Oh, okay, I'll look a whole lot more miserable than I did when we started off. It's hot, people. It is.
I know. That's why I kept telling you, come in here and take a break.
I was just trying to get
I know.
the tent together so that
I know.
I don't have to worry about it later. I just want to get we don't have to put the bed together. I just want to get the bed sheets and stuff put in there, though.
Okay. Yeah, but I wanted you to cool down
You're right.
before we get headaches. And I was, like I say, I was starting to get dizzy.
You're absolutely right. I need a break.
It's really hot. Oh God, it just went up to 90 degrees.
Yeah.
It was, well, Joe checked the weather yesterday and it said it was supposed to be 83 and now it's 90. It's hot.
I'm this close to getting into that water.
Yeah. Getting our feet wet.
Feet.
What time is
sweat.
it? And it's 4 o'clock. How long did it take us to set up camp? A little over an hour. I don't know what time we got here. I can't remember.
I don't know. I think it's been 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah. Maybe an hour and a half. But 2 hours at the most.
Too much time in the blazing sun.
Yeah.
I mean, there's like no shade.
No, and although it's windy as all get out, it's hot.
Yeah, it's really hot. Really, really hot.
Okay, we're too old for this.
Yeah.
We are too old for tent camping. I declare it right now. We are too old for tent camping. We know we can always rent a camper.
I know. But, so the places to rent the campers are close to Virginia. So we have to drive 5 hours to get to Virginia to drive 7 hours back to here to the beach.
Right. You're right.
So I told Joe we should probably start seriously looking for a small RV or something like what Tony has. I'll see if he'll let us do a tour in there. I mean, I think they have solar and everything.
He
so
just bought solar for it.
yeah, so I mean they got a really nice setup here and it's, I think he said it was 1,500 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, yeah, we need to look into something like that. It's something that's got
I can't believe he only spent $150.
Yeah, he only paid $150.
It kills me how he barely ever, he buys cars and trucks and barely spends a dime.
Yeah.
It just kills me.
He always finds the best.
He does.
The best deals. He only paid $150 for this camper. I mean,
because somebody wanted to get it off their property.
Yeah, he just wanted to get rid of it. So I think Joe and I will start looking here soon for something like that. And yeah, something. Well, I don't know if it'll be something that we tow or something that we drive. I don't know. Maybe a class C. I don't want a big one.
I think that if we have something that we drive, the only problem with that is if it breaks down,
Yeah.
we are stuck. If
Yeah.
we have something that we tow and the vehicle breaks down, we can at least drop what we have to go get that fixed. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes total sense. But yeah, all right. We're gonna cool down a little bit more, and I don't know what we're gonna do. I guess maybe once the sun gets a little bit lower, we'll go down to the beach.
It's gonna go before it gets lower.
Well, I think no dogs are allowed out on the beach till after 5. So
It's less than an hour away.
yeah. We're sitting on the middle console here. Are you comfortable? All right. I'm gonna let you guys. Oh, I said all right.
You sure did. That's a trigger word.
Yes, it is. All right. Just said it again. Can't stop saying it. Oh, River's figured out now that she can just keep walking back and forth, so she's gonna keep doing that. All right. I said it. Bye. Yes, that's
Oh, look at this one.
Oh yeah, that was neat.
My favorite thing of those two, 'cause I may not have.
Yeah, look at her. Spoil rotten. Rotten.